Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the line and paragraph spacing in a Google Vids project. So let's say you're working on a Google Vids project and you've got some text elements you want to reformat. You can go to Format. I'll make sure you select one. Format, line, and paragraph spacing. This is going to be very similar to something you would see in like Google Docs. Change it to single spacing, 1.15, 1.5 double. Add space before list elements, add space after list elements. And if you want, you can even take more control by going into the custom spacing formatting options and making it look exactly the way you want it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low-Key PD.